Now, as a millennial early adopter, I did try the factory reset trend for real a decade ago. I came out 4 times, and 3 of those times I was forced back into the closet. The first time was an accident. Nahuli ako ng parents ko na tumakas ng bahay to meet with this guy I liked. Ending, muntik na akong palayasin ni Daddy. My mom cried so much. Sabi niya, mag-church ka lang na mag-church. Mag-ministry ka, mag-therapy ka, ganun. As if being gay was something that can be cured or fixed. So, ginawa ko lahat. Eldest son ako eh. I wanted them to be proud of me. Again, I tried the factory reset button so that hindi ako ituring na kahihiyan. So I tried to be straight. Sa umaga, I was this proper, active Christian youth leader. Yes, alive, hallelujah, Kemerut. Sa gabi, suki si bakla ng Guys for Men, Planet Romeo, tsaka yung mga YM cam shows nung wala pang Grindr to, guys. I was living a double life, basically. I had 2 faces.